Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Pratibha. Today I just wanted to get personal with you all. It's not going to be about manifestation, consciousness, or any techniques. I just wanted to give an update regarding where I'm gonna go with my YouTube journey because it's been a couple of years since I started YouTube. Only last year I've been very consistent with posting, and I purely did that to promote my online course that I have created from scratch. Even though it forced me to be regular with posting, it did help me a lot because I have created a presence and I have expressed my truths with you all. It it has gotten me this job. It has gotten me all of you, and it is just that I'm very, very grateful that one of my videos went viral last year around this time, and I wasn't expecting it at all. You know, I was like, I'm still getting chills thinking about how I was getting notifications daily. It was overwhelming, it was surreal. Um, and I genuinely think my authenticity is what has gotten me to this point. And because of that, many people joined my course, online course that I have created, and it's been successful. And I started this job and I have been very efficient in learning new things, and I have been very happy with the amount of opportunities I still get other than my job. I still get job offers every month or week, if I'm being honest, because of this presence I have created on YouTube. Even though it's not a big channel or anything, I don't know what makes people believe in me, because I only shared my truth with you all. So it's not like I have mastered everything. I'm still learning, and I just wanted to continue this YouTube journey. And that about the content that I'm gonna share with you all, it might change along the way, because I wanted the videos or the content to reflect where I am at life. So it has to align with my truth. That is what I believe would work for me. So I wanted to, use my voice in a different way. So I'm gonna start posting subliminals, meditation videos, use my voice in a different way, put all my good energy and life force energy into um, something that is very positive, that would actually practically help you all overcome your difficulties, your fears, your doubts. And I genuinely want to put all the good energy that I have into those audios that I'm going to record. And thank you all for supporting me. And I'm genuinely very grateful for still sticking with me. Some of you have been here from the beginning. I see you all, and I appreciate that for still sticking with me and believing in me. And yeah, this is what I wanted to share. And let's see how I'm going to go from there. Because for now, up until now, I've been sharing about manifestation, consciousness, and law of attraction, and my own spiritual personal growth. It would mean a lot to me if you shared something about the way that my videos has helped you in some way. I just would like to know if my journey um and my you know personal growth has inspired you to do anything in your own life. That would mean a lot to me. You can share it in the comments. And see you all. I would host videos like this from time to time, so we will definitely stay in touch. But yeah, I just wanted to use my voice, like I said, in a different way. So I really hope you still like my content, and I'm gonna put all my mojo into what I do, of course. See you all until next time. Bye.